Hello, how are you? Today I'm going to do another video about the Hikvision DVRs. In this video, I will show you how to find out the correct hard disk capacity for your DVR. So, if we put 1 TB or 2 TB hard disk, we don't know how many days we can record from the DVR. So this is the online tool, Hikvision tool, where we can calculate the dates. So I will put that URL in the description box. You can get that. So this is the way we can do. First we need to add the device. If you click the add button, then the one device will add here. So first we need to change the parameter. So if you are using 4 channel DVR, we need to put 4. If you are using 8 channel DVR, you need to put 8. Otherwise, if you are using 16, you need to put 16. So first I am using 8 channel DVR. This is the video standard encoding mode. Check which type of encoding your DVR having. So select the correct encoding mode. Then we need to select your camera type. If you are using 1 megapixel, put 720p. If you are using 2 megapixel, you should have to select 1080p. And in here 5 to 12 megapixel cameras, so I select 2 megapixel. So frame rate put like this according to your DVR settings. So now you can put the capacity of hard disk. If you are using 1 TB hard disk, you get 8 days recording. If you are using 2 TB hard disk, you get 16 days. It nearly 2 weeks. So this is the way we can calculate the date. So I hope you learned a new thing about the Hikvision DVRs. Please do subscribe my channel. I will show you another new thing about the Hikvision DVRs and the softwares. More thing about the IT related things. Thank you. Bye.